So welcome back to the Nomad 76 channel. So today, working on some Jostaberries. Well, I did a little reading last night, and so I guess they like, or at least according to the one article I read, they like a pH neutral. And unfortunately, where I'm at here, obviously, I have lots of clay, if you can't tell. Or, and especially here, there's like zero topsoil, because this is all scraped off at one point. So, here just behind the aviary and greenhouse, they do like not full sun, so this area gets probably about 4 to 5 hours a day at different times of the day. So I think it'll work all right. So I got that one right there. Another thing that my dog's been harassing these. I think they got a nest up there. Sorry, I'm distracted here. Nest is somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I know it's that. So that they also want well-drained soil, which obviously clay is not. So I decided, this experiment, we'll see what happens, is to dig these little keyhole setups, and I'll show you kind of progress here. Put some drain rock in there, and then that way when the water fills in there, it can drain out. It may not be big enough of a hole to stay with the kind of neutral, pH neutral soil that I'm putting in there. We'll see what happens. So it's kind of an experiment. Stay tuned. Alright, so there we go. Like I said, just added some rock down in there to help with the drainage. And then I actually threw this chunk of wood in there, this piece of maple, because the soil will go back in on top of this, kind of like it did over here. Obviously that's all underground, but then over time that piece of maple will slowly decompose, kind of keeping the soil soft and not compacted in that area to continue to help drain it. Other than that, I could put like drain pipe and stuff. And so the only other option I had really here, I thought, if they don't grow well here, is come back in here with an excavator and dig a huge trench, and then backfill it, with some drainage in the bottom, and a pH neutral type soil, some sort of topsoil or whatever, that's sandy loam mix. Either way, we'll see what happens. Like I said, this is part of the fun, as far as I'm concerned. Things I like to share here is just giving things a try, see what happens. I mean, I think I got like $5 a piece in these berries. I only bought 2. They're easy to propagate once they get growing, if they grow well. So I figured, why spend more? Because I can just kind of continue to add holes along here. And the last ugly project here is to finish this side of the greenhouse.